Good morning everyone. So I ordered this plant from AHA Plants company and I got this from milkbasket. They also work via Amazon and Facebook page as well. So and I think they have a WhatsApp number as well for orders. Maybe so. This is the first time I'm trying this particular company. Uh, Live Nursery is pretty good. So this is also pretty similar box, and let's check inside how it is inside. Hi little buddy. It's pretty well packed actually. No leakage. I think it's a nice one. Okay, looks nice enough. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you Milk Basket. Thank you AHA Plants. Bye.